Hi friends, it's me Stace. For today's video, we'll be using the Cricut to make this really cute Easter basket. You notice here it has a drawing of a bunny and chicks as well as on the handle. Very easy to make. And let's go to the computer and we'll get started. Alright, here we are at the computer. I'm already inside Cricut Design Space on the main page. From here, we're going to scroll down until we come across the Easter or the DIY Easter basket category. It's about halfway down. All right, here it is there, the DIY Easter basket. I'm going to go to the far right and click on the arrow. I'm going to click on it one more time until we're at the very last project, which is the basic Easter basket, which is the one we're making. Going to click on that. You'll see it brings up a preview window. You can see on the image, you're able to click on the arrows to see more angles of that basket and also see how it's laid out inside Cricut Design Space. We're going to choose on the right-hand side, choose Edit a Copy. So here's the basket, then we have the handle, and then we have the pieces that's going to go inside the basket. And all these little drawings of the bunny and the chick here, they're done using the Cricut pens as well as the ones on the basket, as well as the Happy Easter here. I don't want to have the text inside the basket, so I'm going to right click on this whole group and choose Ungroup. Go back, click on that center square, right click on that one and choose Detach. Then go back, click on the text, and I'll just choose Delete on my keyboard to remove that. Upper right hand corner, choose Make. Then this window pops up, Save Project. Your project will be saved to My Stuff. I'm going to choose Don't Save. I'm also using my Cricut Venture to cut this out, so I'm going to choose On Mat. And I think the 12 by 24 is fine. And I'll choose Confirm. You'll see it does have two mats. We have the white here, and then we have the blue mat. I'm going to go back and choose Cancel. So now we're back inside Design Space. On the right-hand side toolbar next to Layers, you will see Color Sync. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And this lists all the colors we're using, and we're only using the two. But to save me on mat time and put everything on one mat, I need everything to be the same color. So I'm going to drag the whole grouping of the blue down to the white, and you can see everything here changes to white. Go back up and choose Make. So we should be on one mat now, which we are. Now I just rearrange the pieces. So in this half of my mat will be the white, and in this half I can do whatever color I want. I can do yellow or a blue or a green. So I'm going to put all these pieces over there. Right, then we can see the order. So it's going to score first, so it's going to score the basket. Then next is the pen, which is going to draw all these little images out on the band as well as the basket. And then it's going to do the basic cut. So I'm going to choose Continue here. Give it a second to find my machine. Right, now I'm going to choose basic or medium cardstock. And I always change my pressure from default to more. It's just a habit that I always do. All right, so you can see here, it's going to load the scoring stylus first, then we're going to do our pens, and then it's going to cut everything out. So I'm going to go to the machine, load up my paper the way I want it to go, and I'll share with you guys the drawing as well as cutting, then we'll put the basket together. So I'll see you guys at the machine. All right, here we are at the machine. I have my scoring stylus loaded, my mat with my paper on it. Go ahead and click on that button. That's going to measure out our mat. All right, now it's going to score the basket. We'll go to play to do that. Change that out and put a pen in there. Open up that clamp, take that out, and put in my marker. I'm using a blue marker. Okay. Click on play again. So draw the little bunny out now. Alright, so I'm going to pause here, but I finished doing his drawing and cutting, then we'll go to the table and we'll put the basket together. Alright friends, we are back. Everything is cut out. I did go ahead and score everything already. So now we're going to go ahead and put our inside pieces on. So for this piece here, I'm just going to use my advanced tape glider. Okay, and that's going to go on the bottom. Now if you want to leave it to where it was in Design Space with the text on there, you can certainly do that or change the text. All right, so for the side panels, I'm going to use my art glitter glue, and I'm actually going to put the glue on the lattice itself, just a little bit here and there. So at the very, very top, a really, really thin line along the side here, on the bottom, and then this side as well, and then just a few spots on the lattice itself. Okay, that should be pretty good. Let's take this piece and put that in there. Okay, 1 down, 3 to go. All right, our last one. And I chose an off-white color paper. But this would be really pretty for Mother's Day basket, you know, because it has that lattice. You can put, you know, anything on the little scallop pieces, or leave the, you know, just not put the things on the scallop, like the bunny and the chick. Of course, I would remove them. You can put flowers or whatever, and then you could put like, you could probably even put like a little planner inside there. How cute would that be for Mother's Day? You know, because it has that lattice. All right, we are good to go. So now we're going to go ahead and take our flaps, because there's flaps here and flaps here to assemble. So we're going to go ahead and put glue on the flap here. And you want to try to go edge to edge with your glue. And then bring it over. I'm going to just, I flipped it upside down and I'm pressing on it on the inside. All right, and do the other flap right here. It is really cute. I love fast and easy projects like this. This would be really cute to give to a girlfriend at the office. Little centerpiece for the kids' table for Easter. You could put little cards in there. All kinds. It's a good size little box too. It's not a small one. All right, so I'm just getting in there, lining it up, then I'm flipping it upside down and just pushing on the inside. And then let's grab this one. And the colors of the pens I used, by the way, I used Candy Crystal and yellow. All right, so that is done. Now we have our handle. Just going to take my bone folder and just give it a light curl. And then we have this little arrow here. So now we're going to find it right here. And I'd probably glue this in. I think it's going to go on the outside. It does. It's going to go on the outside, that little slice right there. This is going to be the hardest part of this whole project, trying to get that in there. But it'll go. All right, get it in there. You kind of have to wiggle it a little bit to get that full triangle in there, but it'll go. Maybe it'll be easier on the inside. No, it has to go on the outside. It has to go on this side. You know what? I'm going to take my Cricut spatula and just open that up a little bit, just to give me a little bit more wiggle room there. Alright, so just, or you can leave the handle off, right? That's always an option, but I want to try to complete the project for you. I'd probably use a brad myself. You know, to make it easier, you could just cut that and then just attach it with a brad. This way you wouldn't be fiddling with it like I am. There we go, I got it in there. There we go, it's in there. Took some fiddling. All right, let's go back on this side and just try to open that up. I need something a little skinnier. Help me open that up a little bit. Okay, and put this one on. Much easier if you open it up. All right, look at that. 2 seconds, I got that done. How cute is that? Right? That is really, really cute. Like I said, it's a good size. Let me see if I can measure it really quick. All right, so from end to end, it is about 4 inches. And then it's about, so it's 3 inches tall, 4 inches wide. So it's a nice size little box. All right, there you have it, my friends. I'm going to go fill it up, take a cute picture of it so you can see it. Don't want to forget, I have a card kit or a box kit available as well. It's in two separate bags. It'll be taped closed only because I don't want to squish anything, but I did have to score the box just to get it inside the bag. But to be entered to win the box kit, go to my website, leave a comment. I will have a link below. Be the first to come, and you'll be the winner of the card kit. All right, my friends, that is it. How cute is he or she or it, right? I really do like it. Like I said, I think, you know, you can easily leave these things off, leave the handle, don't put the decorations on there. I probably put a brad in it to make it easier. And I think you could just change this up, change the paper, and put like a little potted plant in there. Also with a brad, you can make the handle go back farther. With this, you're kind of stuck where it is. But I think this would be really, really cute for Mother's Day. With a potted plant in there. What do you think? All right, my friends, there you have it. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.